Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly view the jobs that you have applied for in the LinkedIn app, and I'll walk you through every step. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the LinkedIn on your mobile device and log into your account, and make sure that you're using the latest version of the app for the best experience. And once you have logged in, tap on the jobs icon, which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the LinkedIn Job Search Hub. At the top of the jobs page, you will see a section called My Jobs. Tap on it to access all the jobs that you have saved or applied for. In the My Jobs section, you will see a list of jobs that have been divided into categories like saved, in progress, applied, and archived. If you haven't, tap on the section saying applied to see all the positions that you have applied for. To review a specific job application, tap on the job listing. This will open the job details page where you can check the status of your application and revisit the job description. This is a great way to stay organized while you are job hunting. And that's it. Now you know how to view your applied jobs on the LinkedIn app. It's a simple way to keep track of your application and stay organized during your job search. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and good luck with your job search.